didn't know, my name is Danton, and the one who is writing this is my friend Necrosis, or Crow for short. He doesn't know what a bird is.
I think that is a highly unnecessary detail to include, little robot.
Then why did you write it down in the letter? Sigh. Hello, friends. This is Danton on 81.444, and I'm currently writing a letter.
Dictating a letter?
Dictating a letter to a very, Girl, what's a very sophisticated synonym for nice?
Vexatious, abhorrent, mean.
Delightfully sweet, ma'am.
That too.
I'm writing
Dictating.
a letter to get Iola's fingers back, politely. See, the Lady Queen of the Night Miss Vesper has them. She lives on the moon that's high above where we are now. It's also got a swell antique shop that she runs with her wife Sarastro. I think they like each other. Based on the plays Iola has taken me to, when someone stabs one another, it seems to be out of love. In this case, Vesper's decapitated Sarastro's head.
Well, it is one of the many ways to show affection. Healthy, I'd say not. I remember my sweet love. Aurora, I think? I'm not sure. It's been a while. But regardless, I remember him well.
The bird, mister, right?
What you would describe as a bird, yes. But for me, he was like an angel. And when I say like an angel, I do mean with the gorgeous white wings like Iola used to have.
Iola used to have wings?
Or actually, maybe he was a bird, based on the description you told me the first time I met you. Like his sleeves, long silk sleeves, the color of ivory.
You told me they were alabaster.
It was very funny. I remember the moment when we held hands and I accidentally pulled his off. He wasn't one to take very good care of himself. When I peeked back at his arm, I saw leaves packed inside, just like the ones on top of your house. Isn't it funny?
You've told me about him so many times, and finally you tell me something I can actually relate to.
Your arm falling off?
That's very offensive. I'm an indestructible bot. No bolts of mine can be removed so easily. I'm talking about the leaves. Sometimes they have very crunchy textures. Though if I'm not careful, bits get jammed in my gears and I gotta get my leaf blower. I think Faustine, no. It was Iola, no. Faustine, no. Iola. Iola got me it.
They make smaller versions of those? It must have been custom made.
Which is why I feel all the more special to have one.
Indeed, I thought only accessories were so easily customized.
Well, technically, isn't a mini leaf blower an accessory?
Fashion-wise, I mean.
Like your mask? And that creepy hood you always wear?
I got this mask off of Aurora's body when his soul vanished. Or so I believe. He looked like a very old type of automata when I unmasked him. He reminded me of the cycladic figures from the Bronze Age. No, wait, I suppose they don't have those here. But anyway, those old automata types have ways of staying alive despite the danger of fading. But he didn't fade. He vanished. Which is why I believe he was an Ardor like myself.
And the hood?
Oh, I worked as a textile artisan while making capes for special occasions on the side. I'm wearing my favorite piece right now, actually.
That's kinda neat. I wish you'd keep doing that instead of bothering Iola all the time. Though, I wouldn't ask you to make me a new coat.
The craft's eye design would outshine your little body rather than complement it. You are simplistic, and no other artisan of my caliber would consider your patronage, even if doing so would resolve a colossal divorce between the goddesses who hold this planet together.
Simplicity is a compliment to me. All my other friends like my style.
So, what is it that you would like me to write?
Oh yeah. Dear Mrs. Lady Queen Vesper, my name is Danton, but I think you already know that already, so I'll get right to the point. Can you please give Iola's the fingers back? I think you have 3 of the right ones. Please and thank you. Signed, Danton, the lovable, sweet little robot.
And done.
Yay! Okay, you can go now.
But you promised that if I did this for you, then you'd let me see your death angel.
I didn't say it would be today. Iola's in a meanie mood because they just broke one of their favorite glass cups again.
That's unfortunate for you.
No, I believe it's unfortunate for you if you go even 3 feet in front of them.
Well, it doesn't hurt to try.
Hello, great Danton. I'm cleaning again to bring my loved one back. So if you don't mind. Ouch!
Looks like trying really does hurt. So I guess the moral of the story is to never try. This is 81.444. My name is Danton, and I ask all of you necromancers out there to please never bother my guardian death angel when they're severely peeved. When that time comes, I know for sure you would prefer a scythe whacking off your head rather than a cleaning broom.